Hey everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a project share for the digital of Country Critters. This digital is by Sandy from Decorate Your Life, and I will link her store down in the description below so you guys could go over check her out. And I will also link the affiliate link. The affiliate link actually is at no additional cost to you. It helps me with earning a small commission, and that small commission goes towards giveaways that I do on my channel, towards material that I use. And let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. I will also link the other design team members down in the description below. If you guys have not gone over, please go do so. Go show them some love and support. And anyways, like I said, this is called Country Critters, and it is such an adorable, cute collection. Let me just show you what I ended up creating. So I made these rosettes, and excuse the glare, and I ended up using, I did a 1-inch hole punch or punch and circle punch, and that's what I put in the middle, and I used the end as part of whatever leftover I had, and I did those into rosettes, and there you go. And I did put some some stickles on the side, so it could give them a shiny feeling. And then there you go, that's one. And then I also created this cute little flip tag, and basically I went ahead and left it like as is. This is just so you guys could see that something actually fits in here. Made it into a little pocket. And this one's basically if you want to put photos in it, if you want to scribble something on it. I just left them a little blank. And then I did put this little girl, I did fussy cut her, and basically there's also a pocket in here. If you guys could see, you could fit something in here. And then here's the little puppy, and then there you go. And I just made them really simple. And then I also made this little cute card. I did do a lot of fussy cutting around some of the flowers, and I just went ahead and glued them. And isn't that cute? There you go. That's what it looks like. And let me just put it here. I would place the other one, but it's so glary. And then lastly, I did do this little box, this with the little kitty, and it is a shaker. You guys can see that. And then that's what I ended up doing. So cute. This collection is so cute, you guys. I love it. And you guys, I will link it down on the description below. You guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. And don't forget, I will link Sandy's store and the affiliate link also down on the description below. We'll see you guys on our next video. Thank you. Bye for now.